Hi, Luke and Julie with the Knowles Wolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 91 Holgate Street in the Allandale area of Barrie. It's within walking distance to the GO train station and to our beautiful waterfront.
And we've got all kinds of upgrades here as well, guys. Not only is this over 1,500 square feet of fully finished living spaces, we've got 2 bathrooms that have been recently redone. We've got 3 bedrooms up and 1 down. You're gonna love this place. Let's get inside and check it out.
Based on the design of many townhomes, you often have to sacrifice square footage in the kitchen, but in this design you simply don't. There's plenty of counter space, lots of cabinetry, and it flows seamlessly into a space to entertain and dine.
And that theme of extra space continues up here as well. How often do you get a townhouse with both a living room and a family room, complete with a gas fireplace? On top of that, we've got this luxury vinyl plank throughout the entire main levels with a hand-scraped look. You're gonna love it.
This generous-sized deck is completely covered with a pergola, adding extra shade on those hot summer days.
And let's not forget about this convenient rear access. You're not bringing the lawnmower through the house at this place. For gardening supplies, all kinds of things you want to bring in, you've got it covered. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.